If you're a web developer, then you need to know JavaScript. Trust me, it's a game changer. JavaScript is the secret sauce behind dynamic and interactive web pages. Developed in 1995 by Brendan Eich, this language has skyrocketed to become a must-know for web developers. Why? Because it's versatile. Whether you're creating slick animations, building robust web applications, or even dabbling in server-side programming with Node.js, JavaScript has got you covered. It's supported by all major browsers like Chrome, Firefox, Safari, and Edge, making it a universal tool in your developer toolkit. Plus, it plays nicely with HTML and CSS, allowing you to manipulate the DOM effortlessly. JavaScript isn't just about making things look pretty, it supports object-oriented, functional, and asynchronous programming, making it a powerhouse for any project. In short, if you want to create engaging user experiences, JavaScript is your go-to language. So, what are you waiting for? Dive into JavaScript and start building the web of tomorrow today.